Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer property using a life estate deed in the USA. Full guide step by step clearly. To transfer property using a life estate deed, begin by understanding the concept of a life estate. A life estate deed allows property to be transferred to someone while the original owner retains the right to live in the property until their death. The first step is to determine if a life estate deed suits your needs. Consult with a qualified attorney to discuss the legal implications and potential consequences of creating a life estate. Next, gather the necessary information about the property. This includes the property description, the address, and the legal description is found in the current deed. Identify the person who will receive the property after your death, known as the remainder man. Obtain a life estate deed template or drafted deed with the help of your attorney. Make sure the deed includes essential elements such as the names of the grantor and remainder man, a description of the property, and the rights granted to each party. Sign the deed in the presence of a notary public to ensure the document is legally binding. Once notarized, the next step is to record the life estate deed with the county clerk or recorder's office where the property is located. This recording creates a public record of the transfer and protects the rights of the parties involved. After recording, provide copies to the remainder man and keep a copy for your records. It's crucial to understand that, as the life tenant, you are responsible for property maintenance and taxes during your lifetime. Additionally, any improvements made to the property may affect the interests of the remainder man. In case you decide to sell or transfer the property while you still hold the life estate, consult your attorney for guidance. Finally, review the life estate deed periodically to ensure it still aligns with your estate planning goals. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer property using a life estate deed in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.